It's natural! Hi there. Welcome to this week's edition of Nature's Gym with me, Nature's Gym Jansen, the exercise program that utilizes Mother Nature's abundance of workout opportunities. It's fun, efficient, and most of all, it's free! I like to warm up with some light cardio. Make sure you use the terrain to make your run more rigorous, using those reflex muscles. Picture a doe or a fox making its way through the wilderness with effortless grace. Now that we've warmed up a bit, let's start in on some toning exercises. Try to find 2 decently sized boulders to work out your biceps with. It's most likely you won't find 2 boulders of the exact same size or weight, which may lead to certain side effects, such as one of your arms being much larger than the other. But hey, that's nature for you. The great thing about Nature's Gym is that you can be creative with your workouts. Look around and see what you can come up with. Rock climbing. Tree branch chin-ups. Another upside to working out in the great outdoors is the peace, tranquility, and serenity. It's amazing what you can find out about yourself after prolonged periods of solitude. The healing properties of the natural landscape are overwhelming. The abundance of probiotics, proteins, and nutrients are at your very fingertips. It's important to come out to Nature's Gym with a purpose or a project. You can not only work on your fitness goals, but other ambitions you may have. Balance is so important. Body and mind. It's nature. It's natural. From time to time, we're reminded that there are others whom we share nature with. Don't be startled, but to focus on your health and fitness goals, we must maintain focus. Keep your distance.
Oh God. Oh, please somebody help me. I've been struck by an arrow. Oh, it's deep in my thigh. I think it's grazed my penis. No, it has. It's grazed my penis. There's so much blood.
This particular man was not meant for the natural world, and thus will be weeded out in this very natural way.
Natural way? You've shot me, you psychopath. Please, guys, he's hurt me very badly. I just need...
Now let's not forget who's paid you fellas a large sum of money to make this film and make me famous. So let's just keep this part in the blooper reel here.
No, don't do this. Don't do this.
Nighty night. Nighty night, little hiker man. Nighty night, little hiker man. Good night, little hiker man. Sleep now, little hiker man. Smoke. Moving a cadaver takes a great amount of strength and stamina, but it uses a variety of muscles. It's actually quite a good workout. Be careful not to hurt yourself though. Nature is a cruel and unforgiving beast. But in order to participate in Nature's Gym, you must be willing to embrace the circle of life. I hear a pack of wolves may have picked up on the scent of the blood from the man I may have... Anyways, until next time, stay fit and stay natural.